And then when we get to the far hip, we're going to knead. So you knead where it's needed, and kneading tends to be on the fleshy areas of the body where there's a bone underneath as well. So using your thumbs, quite firm circles, checking with your client about pressure, making sure it's okay. And we're going to come out to the side of the body, to the hip. If you have trouble finding the scapula, you can always slightly wing, just relax your elbow down, so that you can see the scapula a bit more. So we're going to friction again around the scapula. So thumb, alternate thumbs following the scapula around, working out those knots and lactic acid crystals. If you find that a client has got a particularly tight calf, then feel free to loosen it up with a bit of kneading after you've done your effleurage inside and outside. So it's a good move for loosening up the calf. Then we can friction very lightly the back of the knee. And I'm going to go straight into kneading on the far thigh, all the way down to the knee and back.